Happy story time!
Discovering friendship's joy. Guess what, my little friends? In the coziest corner of the forest lived a fluffy squirrel named 𝗙𝙧𝘀𝗃, where the trees wear their brightest clothes of red, yellow, and orange. He had the plumpest tail you would ever see. And oh, did he love two things most of all: acorns and fun adventures. It was a crisp and colorful autumn day. The trees were in their finest reds, yellows, and oranges, and the ground with a thick, crunchy carpet of leaves. 𝗙𝙧𝘀𝗃 was excited because it was the perfect day for an adventure. 𝗙𝙧's friend, Tidy the raccoon, was busy and having fun raking leaves into a big pile. Tidy was a neat little fella, always making sure the forest looked spick and span. 𝗙𝙧𝘀, called Tidy, "Want to help me with the leaves?" But 𝗙𝙧𝘀 had something else on his mind. "Not today, Tidy. I'm going on an acorn adventure." With a quick wave, 𝗙𝙧𝘀 scampered off into the forest. His tiny paws rustled the leaves, making a delightful crunch, crunch, crunch sound. He sniffed the air, and the scent of ripe acorns led him deeper into the woods. 𝗙𝙧𝘀 soon spotted a big, shiny acorn up in a tree. He couldn't resist. He climbed up, leaped from branch to branch, and finally grabbed the acorn with his little paws. But oh no! He lost his balance and tumbled down, landing right in a pile of leaves with a thud. Just as 𝗙𝙧𝘀 was about to collect his acorn and try again, he heard a giggle. It was 𝗬𝘁𝘁, the old owl. 𝗬𝘁𝘁 was the forest's storyteller and loved to share funny tales. "What are you doing in the leaves, 𝗙𝙧𝘀?" she asked. "I was trying to get this acorn," 𝗙𝙧𝘀 replied, showing her the shiny treasure. 𝗬𝘁𝘁 chuckled. "Well, it seems like you had a falling for acorns adventure instead of an acorn adventure." 𝗙𝙧𝘀 laughed too, realizing his funny mistake. 𝗬𝘁𝘁 offered to tell 𝗙𝙧𝘀 a story about an adventurous squirrel who went on a quest for the biggest acorn ever. 𝗙𝙧𝘀 was thrilled and sat down to listen. Meanwhile, back at the leaf pile, Tidy was finishing up his raking. He noticed 𝗙𝙧𝘀 and 𝗬𝘁𝘁 having fun and decided to join them. Tidy loved listening to stories almost as much as tidying up the forest. As 𝗬𝘁𝘁 spun her tale, the three friends enjoyed the warmth of the autumn sun and the gentle rustling of the leaves. 𝗙𝙧𝘀, Tidy, and 𝗬𝘁𝘁 discovered that sometimes the best adventures were the ones you unexpectedly stumbled upon. And so, on that beautiful autumn day, they shared laughter, stories, and the joy of friendship under the colorful canopy of the forest, where the leaves whispered secrets to the wind, and squirrels were reminded that sometimes the best adventures were the ones you stumbled upon unexpectedly. It's like finding a hidden acorn when you're not even looking for it. Amazing and full of surprises. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.